Want to know how you can create a landing page with Canva? Make sure to follow along. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. If you do not already have an account, you'll need to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to Canva's homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can access all of Canva's features, templates, and tools. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a search bar with the placeholder text. Click on that bar and type the words landing page. As soon as you start typing, Canva will begin suggesting relevant categories and templates in a drop-down. Press Enter to load the full search results. Canva will now display a wide array of professionally designed landing page templates. These are ready-made layouts that you can customize for your own needs. You'll see templates designed for various purposes: selling products, promoting events, collecting leads, showcasing portfolios, and more. In fact, Canva has more than 30,000 different landing page templates to choose from, so you're likely to find something that matches your vision. Some will be minimalist and clean, while others will be bold and colorful. Take your time and browse through the different styles. At this point, pause and think carefully about what you want your landing page to accomplish. For example, if your goal is to promote an ebook or an online course, you'll want a template that includes space for a headline, a short description, an image or video, and a strong call to action button. If your goal is to raise awareness for a local business, you may prefer a template that allows you to highlight key features, include testimonials, and show a map of your location. Once you've clarified your goal and found a design that suits it, click the button that says Customize this template. This will launch Canva's editor, a drag-and-drop workspace where you can personalize the design and make it your own. Inside the Canva editor, you'll see all the elements that make up your selected template. This includes text boxes, background images, icons, buttons, shapes, and more. Everything is fully editable. If you've ever created a poster, flyer, or presentation in Canva before, you'll find this environment familiar and easy to use. For this demonstration, let's imagine we're creating a landing page to promote a digital product, maybe a premium newsletter or an online workshop. The first thing we'll do is update the main header text, which is usually located at the top of the page and is the first thing visitors will see. Click on the headline text to select it. You'll notice that a text toolbar appears at the top of the screen. Here you can change the font type, size, weight, alignment, and color. You can also add effects like shadows, outlines, and spacing adjustments. Type in your brand name or personal name. For this example, I'll type Shaq's Finds, which could be the name of a curated product discovery brand. Directly underneath that, I'll add a subheading that gives visitors a quick sense of what this brand is about. I'll type Search-Based Method as the subtitle to hint at a data-driven or research-heavy approach to product recommendations. Use the toolbar to format the text as needed. I'll make the brand name bold so it stands out and reduce the font size of the subheading so it fits neatly beneath. If the text lines are too close together, click on the spacing option in the toolbar to increase the line height or letter spacing for better readability. Next, make sure the text is centered or aligned in a way that complements the rest of the page. Canva provides guidelines that appear automatically when you move elements around. These help ensure everything stays visually balanced. Now let's move on to the image. Most templates come with a default image. To replace it, click on the image, hit Delete or Backspace. Then go to the Uploads tab on the left. Here, you can upload your own image or video. I've already uploaded an image of myself, so I'll drag it into place and center it on the page. Canva makes this easy by snapping elements into alignment. Next, you'll probably see a button element on the page. Let's customize this too. First, click the text on the button, then hold Shift and click the rectangle background. With both selected, click Group so they move and scale together. I'll change the text to Buy Now since we're pretending this is for a course. You can add a hyperlink to the button by selecting the group, clicking the three dots, and choosing Link. Paste in your target URL, maybe a PayPal checkout link or a sales page. For this tutorial, I'll link it to google.com just for demonstration. If you added extra pages by accident, you can remove them easily. Click on the page, then click Delete. To add more pages, either click Add Page or duplicate the existing page. Duplicating helps retain the branding and structure. Once duplicated, you can delete the existing content but keep the fonts, colors, and layout. For example, on the second page, I might want to include a Why Choose Us section. Delete the existing text and replace it with a list of benefits or features about your product. Add a new image if needed by uploading it and dragging it onto the page. If you want to build a multi-page site, keep the branding consistent. This means using the same fonts, colors, and general layout across every page. Canva's templates help with this by giving you a cohesive look from page to page. Now let's talk about the importance of choosing the right template. If you pick one with rich design elements, you'll only need to swap them out with your own content. If you pick a basic one, you'll need to manually add sections, images, and branding, which can be more time-consuming. Once your design is ready, you can preview it. Click Share at the top right corner, click on the Public View link feature, and then click on Create. Next, copy the provided link and paste it into a new tab. Make sure to check that the layout is responsive and that your button links work as expected. For example, clicking the Buy Now button should redirect to the link you provided. Confirm that this functions properly on both desktop and mobile previews. If everything looks good, it's time to publish your website. Click Share again in the upper right corner, select See All, and then select the Website feature. After that, you'll be presented with a few settings. Leave the navigation settings on default unless you need something custom. Now you can edit the tab title, what users will see in their browser tab. I'll type in Shax Finds search-based method. Next, write a short page description. This is what will show up in search engines like Google. Under Advanced Settings, choose whether to allow your page to appear in search engine results. You can also set a password if you want limited access. Below that, there's the Link Preview section. This determines how your site appears when shared on social media. You can edit the preview image, title, and description here to create a more compelling share. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Canva will now prepare your site and upload it online using their free hosting. Once done, you'll get a unique URL that looks something like my.canva.site/your custom name. Click Visit Website to see the live version. You'll notice that everything you designed, the text, the image, the buttons, appears exactly as it did in the editor. Click the button to make sure it redirects to your chosen link. Scroll through the page and check that the layout and flow match what you intended. The only watermark on a free Canva site is a small tag at the bottom that says Designed with Canva. It's subtle and doesn't distract from the content. So that's basically how you can create a landing page with Canva. And that's it for this video. Thanks.